Yeah, in this today's video, basically we'll be going with the datasets 1.0 Smart Extensible File Insight Tool. That is of console app. Today we have divided the video in two particular sections: overview and quick demo. For the first 1 minute, we'll be going with the overview, and the rest of 4 minutes we'll be going with the core concepts and functionality with quick demo of the application. So let's dive into the application, starting with overview. App is of 250 lines with infinite power, designed for developers, DevOps engineers, and security professionals. It showcases advanced software design in a minimal footprint. Fundamentally, what it offers is a type of web file previews, automatically detects file types and render smart, reachable previews for formats like JSON, Python, configs, and logs. Dynamic plugin loading. Load external Python plugin at runtime to extend functionality without modifying the core code. Comprehensive statistics. Analyze files for lines, words, character code structures, function classes, and file metadata. Security features. Generate MD5, SHA1 to SHA256 hashes and detect sensitive content or insecure file permissions. Network intelligence. Extract IPs, ports, domain names, and URLs from the text, config, or log files for quick demo, quick network audits. AI enhanced insights. It is the optional integration with OpenAI to provide contextual, intelligent analysis of code and content. For enabling this functionality, you need to set the OpenAPI key. So this is the basic overview of datasets 1.0, and a demo as shown is that consists of all core concepts. Please go through it. So we'll be moving forward with the another section of quick demo section. We have further subcategorized the quick demo section into 3 different parts. So part 1 will be with the basic preview, structure, and comprehensive analysis. So in that we'll be going with the file preview, comprehensive analysis of the file, security measures of the file, code elaboration, function classes, comment imports of the file. Okay. 10 is printed over here, and still 7 more lines is that isn't in that file. In total, it's 17 lines over there in that file. So in this sample.log file, we can see like the green tags, green colors with the that is the success and everyone. Based on that information and everything, it will automatically detect and captures that and sends the colors of the console and everything, and highlighting that the security level that the file is already that has the permission of write and read with sensitive with 32 sensitive lines, like they might contains that the file might contains the user password and username or maybe the key and all. That's why. Secondly will be 19. So if you go with the help, like with the help, you can see all the tags and everything. Okay, so this is a smart file preview to the plugin supports. For this argument that the file preview options, there is help, and after that the lines and lines. So maximum lines default by default is set up to 50, with maximum with by default is set up to 120. There is also AI enable AI analysis if we pass with the argument like hyphen AI. So basically it requires the open API. You need to set in that environment variables, and after that that will work. And there is also the plugin key. You can load the plugin external plugins without changing in the existing code. So in the part 2 we'll be using the AI enabled mode, that is hyphen AI, that is the pro level. So basically over here you can enable the AI powered content summarization, suggestion and elaboration based on file, real use case in dev, live environment for like log minute monitoring, or you can use in infosec tries like whatever the security concerns you can, if you have having in the production environment there is having the security concerns, you can save with the log files and everything. So please go through it. Over here in the example 3, now you can see that whatever the inside that file that was analyzed with the AI insights Python analysis, like it is the Python based file, so that's why it's showing like the Python analysis, and whatever the imports, functions, progress, simulation loop, or whatever the code inside that it is analyzed through the AI, and that is shown in the console application of this datasets 1.0, and you can see that the outputs of that console application. Now there is another example. The AI insights has outcome the log analysis, and this is the log file as one of that like the file type is of log. And after analysis, after successful analyzing of the log file, now we can see the actual summary of that log, like whatever the log that mentioned over there in the file written, and based on that that AI analyzations that is shown in the terminal. So now we can do that. Moving forward with the third part, like plugins mode. So that can be enabled with the hyphen plugin, and that is the pro features, pro plus features. Whenever we talk about the extending our application, like we have the line constraint of 250 lines only. So whenever we think like it's bit complex, while developers or analysts or security professional to gain rapid insight from the code configuration, logs, dataset, and binaries with the help of plugins. So in that 250 line constraint, we have the plugin mode. With enabling that plugin, you can have the code analytics, code statistics, file statistics, network statistics, and many more inside the 250 lines of code only. So basically now we are having a plugin of network plugins, and basically we are having plugins inside the plugins folder has plugin, network plugins, and stats plugin. So and we are running that plugin inside that the file of Nginx configuration, so network configuration analysis. So based on that file we can analyze our domains, examples, and whatever the configuration about Nginx that can be shown over there. So we can have the, if there is the security concerns like Nginx configuration, we can have the whatever the enabled SSA or whatever the fingerprint, whatever the access that is enabled, that can be shown over here. So that is for today. I